to sabi how to read and write dey hungry you. Follow me, make I teach you the alphabet M to Q. M for math. Life na math. E dey as you lay am. It's that the way you prepare yourself determines how you enjoy life. M for math. N for nail. One nail fit hold big wood, but e need hammer. E mean say your small effort fit achieve big things if you get the right support. N for nail. O for orange. Orange dey sweet when you squeeze am well well. It means you get the best out of life when you put in the effort. O for orange. P for plate. If you no wash plates today, hunger go wash you tomorrow. It means taking care of your responsibilities now prevents bigger problems later. P for plate. Q for queen. Queen no dey do gra gra. She dey rule with sense. True leadership comes with patience and wisdom and not haste. Q for queen. Follow to learn more. Next episode is R to V. I am Coach Tumininu.